Hello, everyone. This is my restaurant program in C++. I This is my first attempt at programming in C++. I wanted to practice learning this programming language so that I could be a little bit more of a diverse software engineer. I know that C++ is one of the most common languages out there. And so here's my program. Now, there's a lot of new things that I noticed that were different than the programming languages I've used in the past. The main programming languages that I've used are Python and C Sharp, which this is similar to C Sharp. It's quite different from Python. But without further ado, we'll just kind of jump in. If you notice here at the top, I've included a lot of these are calls to these classes that I've included here in this program. You can see my file structure over here that I have an item class, I have a menu class and an order class. Now, both the menu and the order class both contain lists of items. So that the menu has the list of all the items, and you can look at the menu. I'll show you that in just a minute. Whereas the order allows you to add items from the menu to your order so that you can then check out and see your bill total. So let me just show you what I have when I run this program. And now in one big difference in C++ is that you have to compile each of your class files into a .o file and then compile those all together into an executable. So, and then you run the executable. So if I just run program.exe, oh, it wants me to do let me just program dot not just that should work. Okay, so welcome to Joe's Burgers. So first of all, we can add to our order. So this is what the order looks like. We can, let's say I want a cheeseburger. I'm gonna add to the order again. I want some French fries, and then I'm gonna add to the order a drink. Oh, not a salad. Who wants salad at a burger place? And then we can view our order. And let me just expand my terminal. So we can see, so this is our order. Order number 1, we have a cheeseburger, French fries, and a drink. And then our subtotal is calculated along with a total tax. And then it's all added together into our total. And then if we pay, it'll just give us that total again and say thank you for coming. And now, so some of the main differences I noticed for C++ was again this header these headers, the way that you import files. C Sharp, it just automatically imports those files, so you don't have to worry about it too much. It wasn't too different how you instantiate classes. I did create this list of classes that are necessary and then add them all into the menu class. And then they have a do while loop, which is pretty similar. All of this looks pretty similar to C Sharp, but one thing that I did notice that was very different is, well, the print statement is different. instead of the console.write and console.read line from C#, we have cout, and that's using this namespace up here, and that, and then cin allows you to take a user input and put that into, in this case, into a variable that is then used to select through a menu. So that's kind of the main differences that I saw with C++. I thought it was a very fun experience to be able to learn how to use it, and there's a little another difference is using header files where you define, or excuse me, where you basically set up the class and then you define the class in the C++ file and define the functions and so on. And so yeah, this is my program, and love any questions you have or comments, just leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.